So there's a question from 1998 in UTME. It says detergents have the general formula of dash. So it gives some options. So there's one thing we must know, that there is a basic difference between soaps and detergents. There's a basic difference between soaps and detergents. So on this hand, we'll consider soaps, which are called soapy detergent. And right here, we'll consider detergents, which are called soapless detergent. So in the real technical sense, both soaps and detergents are all detergents. But to a layman, the soapy detergents are the ones we normally call soap, while the soapless detergents are the ones we normally call detergents. And the difference is generally in their chemical representation. That's their chemical formula. A soap will basically contain an alkyl group joined to alkanoids ion and probably sodium ion, or an alkyl group joined to an alkanoid ion or a potassium ion. And in the real sense, the soap has a missile structure, where you have something like this with a head. So this right here is the head, and this right here is the tail. The tail is the alkyl group, and the head is the alkanoid and the Na or potassium ion. So you can see that this place, which is the head, is polar. Polar here, right here, means it is charged because of this positive and negative, while the tail is non-polar. Non-polar because it is an alkyl, it is uncharged. Now, when it comes to detergents, they are quite different. They have an alkyl group bonded to a benzene ring, an alkyl group bonded to a benzene, please mind my benzene ring, so, and then bonded to a sulfonate group and sodium or potassium ion, which could also say an alkyl group bonded to a benzene ring, which is then bonded to a sulfonate group, and this right here is potassium ion. So we'll call them alkyl benzene sulfonates, which is ABS, alkyl benzene sulfonate. Looking at this question, we'll look at the option that most likely contains something like this, and would see that option B contains an alkyl and contains the sulfonate and the sodium. Option B contains an alkyl, the sulfonate, and the sodium, although it did not add the benzene. But in the options given by JAMB, that is the most suitable answer. So the answer to this 1998 question is option B, since it has the alkyl group, the sulfonate group, and the benzene ring.